Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Chris, and today we are going to be unboxing a Goth Easter egg basket from an indie brand called Apocalyptic Beauty Cosmetics. So if you're interested in seeing what that's all about, you can keep on watching. And if you like this video and you're feeling my vibe, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button so you could join the ChrisMo family. And you can click that bell button so that you're notified when I come up with more videos. So here's the package, you guys. The Goth Easter basket is inside. Before we open this up though, I want to go ahead and just share a little bit about Apocalyptic Beauty Cosmetics. So I literally stumbled across this indie brand on Instagram. I was scrolling and I happened to see this Easter basket and I was just like, wait a minute, is there makeup inside? And it's goth? Like, these are two things that I both don't have. I don't really have makeup that is themed around goth, so I wanted to definitely try something that I've never tried before. I want to open up my channel to different themed makeup, so I was really excited to stumble across them. Now on their Instagram it reads that they are 100% vegan and cruelty free. It also says that they are inspired by horror, pop culture, and anything absurd, which I'm totally down for. Maybe not so much the horror part because I'm such a wuss. I can't watch any type of scary movies, you guys. I'm such a wuss. So horror aside, I am excited to try out the products from this brand. Okay, time to open this bad boy up. Okay, well this is the inside of the box. It says Apocalyptic Beauty Goth Easter Basket and it has a little bunny. A cute little bunny. Each basket contains one exclusive eyeshadow, one exclusive glitter, one exclusive face product, one travel size bottle of, can't say that. Can't say it because I have children that watch me, but I wish I could say it. I'm gonna say it like this. Of one bad butt setting powder. Oh, that doesn't sound right. If you can't say it, then it just doesn't sound right. I think you guys know what I mean though. You know what I mean. There's also one lip product, and then at the very bottom it says plus 2 additional products, candy, and other surprises. Okay, so it comes with a little bit of bubble wrap. We got some tissue paper. Oh, what's going on here? How cute is this? Oh my god. And there's nothing more in the box, just some tissue paper. Okay, well this is how it looks up close. So we have sweet tarts, skulls, and bones. I love sweet tarts, so yay. Next up is, there's something in here. It's a carrot. Let's find out what's in this carrot. Oh, okay. It says Apocalyptic Beauty Key Lime Lip Balm. Oh my god, I can smell it from here. It looks like this. Might try this on a little later. Okay, let's see what else. We have a little Easter egg. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, we have, it says limited edition glitter. And I think this is a purple glitter, which is great because I love purple, but here it is. Really tiny. This is the back. Very homemade, which I kind of love. I see bunnies and hearts. So this is like a chunky glitter, as you guys can see from there. Okay. This is cute. This one's called Butterfly Concerto of Doom. Oh, nice. Butterflies. I'm seeing music notes. That makes sense based off the title. And the colors are like a lime green, black, purple. Very, very cute. Okay, next up we have a skull. Ooh. A highlighter. Okay, it's a limited edition highlighter. A loose highlighter, I think. Yep, she's loose. Alright, hold up. Pineapples. First, let me show you guys the way it looks on the outside. This is the back. I do already have highlighter, but I'm just gonna put it on top because why not? So the formula does seem powdery. So I'm just going to use a small brush. This is actually a eyeshadow brush, but I just want to have a little bit more control of this. And I'm just going to dip some. Put some right here. Ooh. Wow. Very icy. My goodness. You take very little of this and it's boom. Just like that. Really impressed. Sometimes it's the little ones that pack the biggest punch. Love this. Okay, let's see what else we have here. We have another little egg. Limited edition eyeshadow. This is gorgeous. Look at this color. Can you guys see the glitter shift in that? Should I try it right now? I don't know. I have lashes on. Not the best idea. I'll take it with a finger, swatch it on my hands. Whoa. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Look at the glitters in that. That is gorgeous. It looks like a charcoal gray, but the glitters make it look like it has like green glitters, blue glitters in here. Oh, I like this. I definitely like this. I honestly cannot stand it when you see an eyeshadow palette that has a matte that has glitter shifts in it, and then you put it on your eye and where did the glitter go? The glitter just disappeared. But here you can definitely see that glitter shift. I'm excited to try that on my lids. I'll probably post a picture on my Instagram, so if you aren't following me on Instagram, I suggest you do so, hun. Next up we have, I don't know what this is. Oh, setting spray. I won't say the full title, I'll just show you. This is how it looks, and there's the title right there. Now you see why I couldn't say it. I actually did not put any setting spray on, so this is great. This smells like chai. Oh, chai. I didn't even actually look at the name. I was gonna say this smells like chai tea latte from Starbucks. Let me just, oh, okay, so let's do this. Woo! Oh my god, I just smelled chai everywhere. After it completely fell on my face, I don't smell it. Like, I don't smell chai, which is good because it could be a little bit of a headache to smell throughout the entire day. It does make me feel refreshed, especially since I actually did not put setting spray on and I've been having makeup on all day. So this is very impressive. I like this a lot. This is so cute. It's small, could fit in my little bag. Put it to go. My skin feels good. Ooh. Ah, we have a liquid lipstick, and this is called Hellion. It is limited edition as well. It looks like this. And this is the color inside. Okie dokie, lip balm is off, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually just swatch this directly on my lips. I'm not even sure if this is a matte or not. It doesn't say anything. I'm assuming it's a matte. We'll see. Ooh. I didn't expect to get a color like this, and it is a very pretty color. It feels like I have absolutely nothing on my lips though, which is good. I'm gonna let it dry down. I think it is a matte because it does dry pretty quickly. I'm not feeling anything sticky. It is a nice color. It's really, really pretty. Little eyeball for a sticker. We got a lollipop. I like sweets. We got a little Frankenstein figurine. And hold on. I think this is the last thing. This is lip gloss. I love lip gloss. So this is how the lip gloss looks. This is, I guess, the color. It looks like it's two different colors in there. I'm really confused. So let's just find out what this is all about. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Okay. It has a little bit of a metallic kind of finish. Let me see if this dried down. Oh yeah, this is a matte. Nothing's transferring. Very nice. It still feels good. Like, my lips don't feel dry or cracky. I'm gonna put this right on top. Let's see what happens. Ooh. This is gorgeous. I love the combination of the two. I mean, I'm a lip gloss girl. I love lip glosses. And this is so pretty. Let me see if I can show you. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, I feel like it just brought the lipstick up an upgrade by like 20. And it feels so comfortable. It's like not sticky. It's so like smooth. Can you guys see that? Smooth. It smells good too. What is that scent? Hold on. It smells like candy. I don't know what that is. It just smells really good. Oh, I love what I got. This is so great. And I still got that lip balm. I never even tried that. And I'm going to open it up anyway. Oh my god, that smells so good. Just nailing it on the scents. Oh. I I brought this up to the camera so you guys can smell it. It's past my bedtime, you guys. I want to see how this feels. Oh, of course. It's like smooth. So smooth. I don't know if you guys can actually see that though. Do you guys see the little shine that was right there? That's from the balm. Right here is the little shine. I love everything I got. I'm excited to try those chunky glitters. Especially like when you do an eye look and you want to just put a little bit of a chunky glitter right here. I'm definitely going to be trying out that eyeshadow. I love the setting spray. Loving the color and the formula of this lipstick. And the lip gloss, I mean, you guys heard me. I don't have to say much about that. So the Goth Easter Basket is definitely something that I would highly suggest you try. It was definitely something that is out of my comfort zone. I don't normally go for themes like this, but I'm very happy that I did. The products are beautiful. Everything is just so well put together. I mean, you get to try out a bunch of different products from this indie brand, and for only $20. Plus you get candy. Who doesn't like candy? Okay guys, so I'm going to leave all of their information down in my description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. And I'll see you guys in the comment section. Bye.